los líderes en Duolingo. Let's see, who is leading in Duolingo esta semana? Vamos a ver. Tenemos Aubrey en Kinder con 509 XPs. Wow, Kinder, y'all are in the lead every week. En el primero tenemos Sahai con 346 XPs. Muy bien. En el segundo tenemos Deshaun con 1034 XPs. Impresionante. En el tercero tenemos Emiko con 118 XPs y tenemos Jeremiah con 100 XPs. Muy bien. En el cuarto tenemos Caitlin con 30 XPs. En el quinto tenemos Elijah con 82 XPs. Muy bien. Excelente, alumnos. Who's going to be on the leaderboard la semana que viene? Hola, alumnos. Hoy es jueves el 7 de mayo. Hoy vamos a hablar de ser versus estar. Sometimes we use this word a lot in español, ser and estar. And sometimes we're confused, like when do I use ser and when do I use estar? They both mean to be. Ser versus estar. They both mean to be. So when do I use ser and when do I use estar? Now, it's a be verb just like in English. And so we do say I am, you are, he is, they are, we are. And so we're going to do the same thing in Spanish. So how do I know when to use ser or estar? Because they both mean to be. What do you think? What do you think? We've already seen ser and estar in our vocabulary, in our phrases in Duolingo. What phrases do we already know with ser and estar? De dónde eres. Hoy es el jueves, el 7 de mayo. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? We already know those, and those are all forms of ser and estar. So let's find out. We're going to find out when to use ser and when to use estar. Okay? Let's see. Let's first start with ser. How do you change ser to match each subject? And this is in Spanish what we call conjugations. We're conjugating, we're changing the verb to match each subject. So yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él, ella, usted, formal. Usted is a way of saying you, but you're like if you're talking to a maestra, you're talking to somebody you don't know, use usted. That means you. So he or she is or you are. Nosotros somos, we are. And then vosotros sois. You all are. Now, when we say you all, we only use that vosotros really in Spain and in very formal writing, but I want you to see that. Y ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Now make sure you're writing this down. That's why it's going so slowly. So you can write this down and make sure you're getting your conjugations. Ellos, ellas, ustedes son, they are, or you all are. Bien, so let's see estar. What are the conjugations with estar? Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are. Él, ella, usted, formal. Remember, that's talking to like maestra. Está, he or she is, or you are. Nosotros estamos, we are. Vosotros estáis. Remember, vosotros is you all, but you mostly see it in Spain and in formal writing. Ellos, ellas, ustedes están. They are. And ustedes is you all are. Listo? Let's put it in practice. When do you use ser and when do you use estar? Now we have an acronym for ser. We say doctor, description, occupation, characteristic, time, origin, relationship. Estar, position, location, action, condition, emotion. And so this is when you use ser and that's when you use estar. So let's get some examples of doctor sentences. This is, of course, when you use ser. Okay? So, description. La mesa es grande. Okay? Occupation. Jorge es un médico. He's a doctor. Characteristic. La chica es inteligente. Time. Son las 2 de la tarde. It's 2 in the afternoon. Origin. Ellas Or ellos son de Colombia. They're from Colombia. Relationship. Ella es mi hermana. She is my sister. So this is when you use ser, the verb ser. When do we use the verb estar? Because we're saying is, are, we, when. Place is our acronym. Place. It stands for position, location, action, condition, emotion. Position. La comida está en la mesa. The food is at the table. Location. La casa está en Cedar Hill. The house is in Cedar Hill. Action. Los chicos están limpiando la casa. The boys are cleaning the house. Condition. La casa está limpia. The house is clean. Emotion. Let's see. Yo estoy feliz. I am happy. You see how you use estar? Let's do a quick practice with ser versus estar. Ser versus doctor plays. Let's see a sentence and let's see which would we use. If we use ser or estar. El restaurante está en desodo. That's estar. Estar. El iPhone Pro es grande. Ser. Los alumnos están aprendiendo español. Estar, right? Because that is an action. They're learning Spanish. Ser versus estar. Quiz. Yo, blank contento. Yo de Texas. Yo bailando salsa. Yo un alumno de Maestro de Verbs. What do you feel in the blank with this? Either soy or estoy. Yo estoy contento. Yo soy de Texas. Yo estoy bailando. Yo soy un alumno de Maestro de Verbs. Adiós, amigos, adiós. Adiós, amigos, adiós. Adiós, hasta luego. Chao, hasta mañana. Adiós, amigos, adiós. Chao, nos vemos.